Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete an agent on Freshdesk using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Freshdesk, and an agent that we created in the previous tutorial. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Freshdesk. Via Freshworks, click on this, freshworks.com, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to account. This will take us directly into the account. Now what we want to do is go to the left hand side navigation menu and then click on the cog wheel, which will take us to the admin center. Go to team, go to agents. As you can see on screen, we have reached the free plan limit of 2 full-time agents. Upgrade now to add more agents. That's all for another tutorial, but in this tutorial, the admin agent that was created yesterday, we want to now delete this from the system. 3 dots, more, delete, or we can deactivate. In this tutorial, we are looking to completely delete the agent. The deleted agent will be available as a contact. This will remove all agent information from the help desk. Are you sure you want to proceed? Try deactivating an agent because we will be preserving all this data in the help desk. Let's now confirm this. So that itself has been deleted. Go back to tickets. Go to new, create ticket, and go to agent. As you can see, we did have 2 agents in the previous tutorial. Now we only have 1 as we have deleted the created agent from the last in this tutorial. So we can now go back to dashboard, quit Safari. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.